Linking your bank account to SigFig is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your SigFig account. Visit the SigFig website or open the app. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are new, follow the prompts to create an account. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your profile icon. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the account settings, look for the option to link a bank account. This may be labeled as Link Bank, Add Account, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your details, SigFig may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by SigFig into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to SigFig, allowing you to manage your investments seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, consult SigFig support resources for assistance.